This is Everyday Grammar. I'm Kaveh.
And I'm Lucia.
Lucia, I asked around about what we should talk about today.
Yes, me too. I checked out a bunch of subjects, and you know what I came up with?
I don't want to cut in, but I think we should get into phrasal verbs. Phrasal verbs are very common in English. There are over 5,000 phrasal verbs, and they're usually used in informal language.
Wow, are we going to go over all of them today?
No, I don't think we can get around to that. But we'll go into how to identify them and use them.
A phrasal verb is a verb followed by a preposition or an adverb or both.
I ran into my old friend at the mall.
Mom, can I sleep over at my friend's house tonight?
Some phrasal verbs allow an object to separate the phrase, while other phrasal verbs have to stay together.
But it's easy to get confused. Some phrasal verbs have more than one meaning.
So, how do you tell the difference?
You have to consider the context of the sentence. For example, look up the word in the dictionary. Here, look up is a phrasal verb. That means to research.
But if you said, look up, the stars are beautiful, you are using the literal meaning of look up.
Both Kaveh and I use a ton of phrasal verbs in this episode. Can you identify them?